everyone. Good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Howmet Aerospace. This is ticker HWM. Now, in a market that is choppy and sloppy, it's really hard to find stocks that are just trending beautifully up their 8-day, 21-day, and 50-day moving average. But I found one here with Howmet. It has a fundamental story to it, and it has a technical story to it. And both of those are working well right now in this market. Every pullback down into the 50-day moving average since the middle of June has been buyable here on Howmet. And so you have a clear line in the sand and a fundamental story to boot. And so I certainly would keep an eye on HWM for buys around the 8-day, 21-day, or 50-day moving average until that stops working. And then you can just sit back and let this trend continue to pay you off. It's really looking good. I think you certainly want to watch for a move through and above 293.40, but otherwise, watch for pullbacks and buy opportunities close to the 8-day, 21-day, and 50-day moving average, and let the trend be your friend on Howmet Aerospace. So that's just one of many stocks I'm looking at tonight for Scott's Trade Desk over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that's helpful. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on X. I'll see you next time.